How can you not love remote work? At home, my wife made food. Here she is wearing a Tallstrap t-shirt.
Yeah.
Doggy somewhere here. Oscar, say hello to the camera. There's a storm outside. Didn't have to commute. Didn't have to go anywhere. Just had to drop the kids to school. But all good. You might think that it is difficult to have good habits when working from home. It is a little bit more difficult, of course. But I do have a link somewhere for daily habits for a healthy lifestyle. Check that out. Trust your team. Give them clear goals and let them do the magic. Let them do the great work. By giving them clear goals, clear KPIs, that's where trust is. Then you review those KPIs and those goals together and you support and coach them on making sure they achieve their goals. The ones who don't embrace remote work, the companies that don't, are the ones who are going to lose, especially in this AI era. Remote work.